All 5 of them. I know the request as well.
I don't know what's going to you, but I do know that I love you. All you want is touch, your hand on my time, and I do know that I want you. Let's dance, let's shout, shake your body down to the ground. Let's dance, let's shout, shake your body down to the ground. Let's dance, let's shout, shake your body down to the ground. Let's dance, let's shout, shake your body down to the ground. You tease me with your love and you get hard to get, 'cause you do know that I want you.
Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot 2 stops. Left foot 2 stops. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Keep fucking with it. Turn it back. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Drop it up now. Right foot, let's stop. Left foot, let's stop. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stop.
Hopefully we've still got some more time to play, another 50 minutes yet, but if you've enjoyed yourself tonight, then I'll be back again on New Year's Eve. There's still a few places left, so we welcome you back down again and have some more fun.
Just drive by.
Thanks, guys. You've done a great job tonight. All right, you said you wanted some reggae. Here's UB40 then. And after this, we'll slow it right down for one. Bit of Robbie Williams coming on. And then some Frank Sinatra.
Night seems to fade. The moonlight lingers on. You wonder everyone. The star shines so bright, but fading after dawn. There's magic in Kingston town. Kingston town, the place I long to be. If I had your word, I would give it away just to see the girls I play. When I am king, surely I will lead a queen and the bad and everything. And I am king, and my queen will come down. Surely we in Kingston town.
16 seconds.
Kingston town, the place I long to be. If I had your word, I would give it away just to see the girls I play. Yeah, when I am king, surely I will need a queen and the planets and everything. Yeah, and I am king, and my queen will come down. Should we in Kingston town? Should we in Kingston town? Right now. Should we in
Good old Kingston Town then. UB40, classic song. Okay, don't forget we've still got 1 or 2 vacancies for the New Year's Eve if you'd like to see ya. Here's Robbie, his classic song.